Hey guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. I'm back with another song from Hamilton. Today we are going to be doing Wait for It. And this is another fairly easy one, pretty accessible for beginners, but you do use all of your fingers for this one. So stay tuned for that. Before we get to that, guys, click subscribe to get all of my videos, to know when I have new videos coming out. If you have a request, then leave that in the comments below, and make sure you check out the description to learn a little bit more about my guitar community and sign up for it. It's only $10 a month. It'll give you access to extras that aren't included on my regular site. It'll give you access to group lessons within the community, and it'll also give you a chance to do one-on-one lessons with me. And throughout this process, you'll have input in everything that you learn. So one of the very first things I want you to do is to fill out a form that lets me know how long you've been playing and what songs you would like to learn, what your interests are, and I will tailor the lessons to fit you. And within the groups, I'll also put you in groups with other people that have similar tastes. All right, so that's pretty much it. Sign up for that and click subscribe to get the other videos. So let's talk about this song, Wait for It. This is a really fun song to play. It's a little tricky if you are not used to using multiple fingers at the same time. So I do think that this is a good song for if you are struggling with chords, because your fingers are pretty much anchored in the same spot. You're not moving a lot. So let's go over this basic position and make sure that you follow my exact fingering suggestions, because that's going to be helpful. So my first finger is on the 4th fret of the high E string. My second finger is on the 6th fret of the G string, and I know that's a stretch, but there's a reason that I'm doing that, and you'll see in a second. Third finger is on the 6th fret of the B string, and then later we're going to use our pinky at the bottom down here, okay? So there are a couple of different ways you can play this one. This one is the easiest way as far as not moving your fingers a lot. So let's go over those changes. So this first chord is just a D flat major chord. So it goes G string, E string, B string are the strings I'm playing. So it goes, okay. Then, so that's the D flat major. And then you're going to go to a B flat minor, and that's where our pinky comes in. So our pinky is going to squish in on the 6th fret on the high E string with those other fingers. And then we're going to do those same strings. And each time we're doing these strings in this order. So it's G, E, B, G, E, B, G, E, B. So the first one, this again. Put pinky down. And this time we're going to lift up our pinky, and we're going to slide our second finger down to the 5th fret. Stay on the same string, but just the 5th fret, and then play that same order of strings, G, E, B. So let's go over that again. Starting back on the 6th fret with your second finger. So G, E, B, pinky down, G, then slide your second finger down, and again, really slow, second finger up, pinky down, second finger down, back up, so just get used to that pattern with the G, E, and B, and doing that over and over and over again, and that'll help you out a lot. And as far as the movement goes, most of the movement you have a lot of time to move, and just work on keeping the pressure down on the strings so that you can get a good sound. You don't want it to have that kind of clicky sound. You want to make sure your fingers are pressed down really, really tight. And at the end of this video, there will be a normal speed version and a slower version so that you can play along with the tablature. Let's try that one more time. So first position, then second, then last one. All right, here we go. 1, 2, ready, and... one more time. Last time. Alright guys, stay tuned for the slow version first and then the fast version. If you enjoyed this video, click subscribe and let me know what else you'd like to see. See you next time.